So let me show you the aft deck on the 45. No surprise, you can see that the isinglass enclosure is starting to show its age. Not too sure if it can get polished out on the aft curtain here. Access to the swim platform through that transom gate right here. Some spare seats. Barbecue grill go with the vessel. Nice patio table, 4 chairs. Storage, that's where the spare props are. Aft deck wet bar with storage, tile top, a new refrigerator, salon door, and then access up to the bridge. I don't know if you can see the 3 blue lights. It's kind of nice in the evenings. But there you go. There is the aft deck.